Today we will go through 4 posture exercises that will help you improve your breathing, digestion, and leave you feeling more confident than ever before. Hi, I'm Liz and welcome to Eastwest Physiotherapy. First up, we have the thoracic extension over a chair. Sit on a chair with a high back. Roll your shoulder blades back and down, then raise both arms straight up towards the ceiling beside the ears. Breathe in and slowly arch backward against the back of the chair. Once you get as far as you feel comfortable, breathe out and relax the upper back into the back of the chair. Hold for 10 seconds. If you feel like you can go a bit further, take another breath in, arch further, breathe out, and relax in the position for another 10 seconds. This exercise helps with the upper back mobility and flexibility, so it'll be easier to remain upright. Next, we have chin retractions against the wall. This exercise will bring your neck into alignment, reducing neck pain and headaches. Stand in front of a wall with your feet about 6 inches away and lean right against the wall. Roll the shoulder blades back and down. Now tuck the chin in as if you're trying to bring the chin towards your throat. Think about the top of your head reaching up towards the ceiling as you tuck. Repeat this 15 times, 3 sets. The next 2 exercises are to help open the chest, allowing for deeper breaths and better digestion. Find a corner in your room and stand a foot away from the corner in a lunge position. Bring both arms up at 90 degrees and rest it against the wall. Slowly lean in and feel a stretch across the chest. Hold this for 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times. The last exercise will help strengthen the upper back, allowing you to maintain an open chest with ease. Grab an exercise band and hold it with both elbows bent at 90 degrees. Again, set the shoulders so they are rolled down and away from your ears. Now you will squeeze the shoulder blades together and bring the arms out to the sides, making sure the elbows stay at 90 degrees. Repeat this 15 times in 3 sets. I hope these exercises leave you feeling more confident and energized than ever before. If you constantly feel like your neck and shoulders are like concrete blocks, we have a video that helps thoroughly stretch out the neck muscles to leave you loose and free. Thanks for watching, and to be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. Until next time, keep standing tall.